Hello friend, today we are going to discuss on topic on farm mechanization. First discuss on what are the meanings and concept of the farm mechanization. The farm mechanization means the process of developing agriculture machines and substituting this machine power for human and animal power in agriculture production practices is farm mechanization. Means it is the replacement of uh, animal and human power by machinery, means mechanizations. Next, and the mechanization of farm means use of machines for conducting agricultural operations, replacing the traditional methods which involves human and animal power, animal labors, means mechanizations. Farm mechanization implies the use of mechanical technology in the varied farming operation like sowing, harvesting, threshing, leveling, watering, spraying, and weeding. These are the various technology used in agriculture through mechanization. Next, what are the types of the farm mechanization? There are two types of the mechanization. First partial farm mechanization and second complete farm mechanization. Partial farm mechanization means the work done of particular part of farm by the use of machines when manpower and animal are dispensed, means partial farm mechanizations. And then second, complete farm mechanization means work done of whole farm with the help of machines. It is progressive uh, farming like progressive countries like Germany, Australia, France using these methods. Next, the advantages of farm mechanization. First, to improve the quality of products. Then to remove the farm trajectories. Next, to improve the livelihood of the farmers. To increase the economic of the country. Next is the provision of employment opportunity through the mechanizations. Then improvement of irrigation facility easily and improve the existing irrigation facility through the mechanization. With the support of machines, farmer can do his work better and quicker. Then it increases the efficiency and per man productivity through the mechanization. Then the mechanization results in lower cost of the works. Then it contacts demand for the works. It leads to the commercial agricultures. Then it increases the farm incomes. Then enhancement of the safety. These are the advantages of the farm mechanization. Next one is the what are the disadvantages of the farm mechanization? First, small size and scatter land holding means in India now most of the farmers in small and marginal farmers they not use the uh, latest or modern technology in agriculture because they not second was the financial instability of small farmers because the small holding of lands and the income level of farmer is low. Then lack of proper knowledge about farm machineries. Many farmers are illiterate due to the because the lack of proper knowledge about the new technologies, new machineries for handlings. Then lack of repair and replacement facility, especially in the remote rural areas. Then limited availability of sale outlets. Then lack of accessibility for procurement and repair and maintenance. These are the advantages of the farm mechanization. And then the uh, what are the causes of the slow progress of mechanization in India? First upon, holding of majority of the agriculturists are very small, because the size of holding in India is very small, between 1 to 5 hectares. These holdings are also scattered over the village. Uh, there is no scope for mechanization in India, because the small holdings. Then for proper and best utilization of machineries, the size of holdings should be more. Then second, the machineries are very costly. The Indian farmers are poor and orthodox. Means they use in traditionally farming, he is not able to purchase costly machineries. Then machineries are difficulty to handle, because the most of the farmers are uneducated. They do not understand the use and working of the machinery, because the lack of knowledge of the latest machinery or modern machineries. Then creation of unemployments due to the mechanization, manpower and bullock are replaced by machinery. Therefore the millions of workers will be thrown out from the agricultures. Bullocks will have no works, problems of their survival will arise. And then repair and depreciation charges are also very heavy. Then lack of mechanical skill in the countries. There is an acute storage of like petroleum and diesel oils. Then abundant human labor laying ideal in the village. These are the causes for the slow progress of mechanization in India. Thank you.